Oh, there he is. There he is. Biscuit, do you watch Bass Wars? What about you, Gidge? All right. This is the fly, and this is the bobber. Okay, guys. Here we are at Crystal Lake. Do some bluegill fishing. It's a little chilly out. Oh, there we oh! Did you guys see that? There he is. Oh, he hit me again. Little sucker. There he is. Got him. There we go. There we go. Got one, guys. Oh, oh God. Oh, he got off. How in the world did he get off? Dude, he crushed that thing. I missed like 4 or 5 fish already. They gotta be tiny. How to Catch Bluegills, Volume 1. Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh, he got off. Stupid me, I was fooling around. Gotcha. Little. Look at this guy. Small. Tiny. All right, buddy, come here. That's a small one. Small bluegill. Oh, I saw him come up on that one. I thought that was cool. That was really cool. I saw him come up and get that one. This one was a better one. What's up with your lip, man? What happened to you? Oh. There he is. Oh, small guy. Wow, guys, look at this. This guy's tiny, dude. Look at this little thing. Smallest guy of the day. Look at this guy. Small guy. Let's see if he hits me again. Oh, there he is. Got him. Got him. Little guy. Little guy. Ooh, we gotta do surgery on him, I think. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. We caught some bluegill, some small bluegill, but we got a few. It's a fun day out. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again.